Jennifer Perez.
Hey, welcome back on this St. Patrick's Day. It's kind of a quiet start to the day, so we're looking ahead to our next most impactful system. Here's the first alert that Wednesday, we're expecting a winter storm, and it could potentially be a TV6 first alert weather day. Here's what's happening. There's a storm system that will track south of the UP. However, it will bring in some wet, heavy snow across, especially the central and the eastern UP, along with windy conditions. This will be accumulating snow. It'll cause some problems as well. Now, as far as the caveats, right now, the track of this is still a little uncertain. All of the models are not exactly aligning to the track of this, and we all know that the track has a big impact on who gets the highest snowfall amount. Okay, a shift in the track direction also means a shift and a change in snowfall and who gets the highest snowfall amount. So whatever I show you is not set in stone just yet today, okay? Now, impacts that we know for sure will cause some sloppy road conditions for Wednesday afternoon and evening, along with blowing snow that could also potentially reduce visibilities. So here's how it looks for snowfall. Our in-house models projecting the highest snowfall amounts to be across the central and the eastern UP. There's going to be a prominent northeasterly wind flow. So that's also going to potentially also allow some lake enhancement, some orographic uplift to occur, which means that in the higher elevations, that's when you usually get higher snowfall amounts. And that could be for portions of Marquette County. We're looking at around 8 inches to near a foot of snow within portions of the central and the eastern UP. Again, this will change at least today and then again tomorrow as more model runs continue to come in and things become a little bit more honed in with what's happening with this system. Here's the system for Wednesday morning. No big concerns Wednesday morning, so nothing major, but it's in the afternoon, after 1 o'clock when that snow starts to move into the central UP. This is 3 p.m., so it extends from the eastern UP all the way down into the central portions of Wisconsin and into northern Iowa. It becomes widespread for the most part Wednesday evening. Look, this is 8 p.m. The track of the low is actually south of the UP across the northern lower, so rain and thunderstorms expected for the lower peninsula, with the snow continuing across the UP for Wednesday evening into Wednesday night. Eventually it tapers off, but we also have some gusty winds with this. So by Wednesday evening, we're expecting gusts of around 30 to 35 miles per hour. I mentioned there's a prominent northeasterly wind flow as that system continues to push through Lake Huron on Wednesday into Wednesday night. We'll eventually see winds weakening as we head into Thursday. But in the meantime, though, again, those gusty winds for Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. Today, St. Patrick's Day, a few spotty snowflakes. Other than that, breezy conditions for the afternoon. Temperatures above normal into the 40s. We have a prominent southerly wind flow for us today. A few spotty snow showers passing through from west to east and near Lake Superior into the afternoon. Little light snow potentially across the east end this evening. And then some similar conditions for tomorrow where there's a chance of some spotty rain and snow mix. Today, temperatures across the northern UP, upper 30s for the most part, generally a dry one today. A lot of our southern areas into the 40s to near 50 degrees along the Wisconsin state line. Our lows tonight in the mid-20s inland with upper 20s to around freezing along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast again for right now. Wednesday looks to be a first alert weather day, at least for Wednesday afternoon and evening. We'll come out with more of those updates here in the next 24 to 48 hours as things adjust with that system. Behind that, still staying near seasonal for Thursday, and then we have a warm up by the end of the week.